Okay, everybody. The fire alarm is nothing to mess around with. You can't mess with it. These are installed in buildings to alert people that the building is on fire and they must evacuate now. So, do not tamper with the fire alarm. Tampering with the fire alarm will get you arrested. Do not tamper with the fire alarms in any building. Like, you don't take them off the wall, you don't paint them, you don't take the strobe off of them, you don't take the horn off of them, you don't disable the horn or the strobe on them, you don't adjust the volume, the pattern, the candela, or tone on them, and you don't cut power to them, you don't smash them, you don't pull them for fun. You just don't do any of that. If you pull a false fire alarm or break the alarm, you are responsible for your consequences, not me. So do not do that kind of stuff. I'm not responsible if you pull a fire alarm for fun, or if you tamper with a fire alarm, or if you break one. Remember, if you break the alarm, you are responsible for replacing it. You are responsible for replacing the alarm if you mess with it. You tampered with it, you painted it, you broke it, and you are responsible for replacing it. Tampering with the fire alarm will get you arrested. So do not do that at any building. Bye.